So today I'm going to be talking on anxiety. I really think that anxiety is someone's crucial part. Like right now, I am also in the anxiety state. Whether I have actually anxiety, the kind of anxiety I'm feeling is not about on one thing. I'm totally thinking of anxiety in different perspective, and my mind is rushing all over to different parts. I am not able to control it. That's why I'm gonna explain it. So, for according to me, what I have understood, there are two types of anxiety. The one is that uh, it really contributes towards the betterment of the person, and it's really crucial for needing in the person's life. But the other part of the anxiety is that comes during the normal stance, and it really consumes much of the energy of the person. So that's that these two are the kinds of the anxiety that I will be explaining, and I will be taking my time for it. Like the betterment anxiety, like the part that going to be giving some kind of advantage to you is going to be like bill and deadlines that come up in the future. It will start to panic you. It will start to rush you that you have to complete the task, otherwise it will be over. So it can the anxiety can help us in that regard, and it's so crucial to have anxiety in this perspective. But the next part, like the normal circumstances where the anxiety plays its part, I really believe that over there it makes a very tough choice for us, tough moment for us. I think over there it needs to be something needs to be done in order to control it. Otherwise, it will consume our a lot kind of energy, and we will not be able to. We will not able to be stopping it. So I will think that this is the part, and for example, uh, this part really comes where, for instance, we have to go to someone's house, and in that, in between sitting over there, we are really not into that moment. We are always thinking in our mind whether we have closed the switch or not. These are very small things. These are psychological. This is something that we don't need to care about, but still it comes to our mind and tries to consume energy, as I've really previously spoken of it. So this is something that we need to avoid. But the question is that how we can avoid, how what we can do to avoid it, because we need to discover what is the difference between the betterment and normal circumstances in society. So the normal ones are need to be ignored, and the best way to ignore those anxiety is to question uh, the very intelligence of that anxiety, whether it is true or not. You need to ask that it is important or not. That's a simple question. Like if I'm sitting somewhere else and thinking about my light is on and off, I will question it, that is it true or it is needed, it is important. I will see that it does not have bigger impact. It will then I will be getting some knowledge of it, and I will be free of it. That's how simple it becomes when we question it. So I think I really like to end my this talk now. Thank you.